All right, guys, 2010 Infiniti G37x. Really beautiful car. He's a soldier. We appreciate his service. He came out of Fort Campbell to us. What we got done on it for you guys, factory converters there and there. Then we true dualed it all the way back and put two vibrant bottle resonators, part number 1793. There'll be a link in the description for them, right there. Then continued it with 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there, into some carbon fiber black 4-inch tips, there and there, to complete the look. As you guys can see right there, came out a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. This is what it looks like before. Forget the other tailpipe. And that S10 has 400,000 miles on it, guys. Look at it. Got a cherry bomb on it. We just put it. Yeah. Anyways, so there's the stock system that was on it right there. We took it all off and made it beautiful for him, and lost about 50 pounds or 60 pounds, 60 pounds of weight. I wish I could shed that quick. That'd be nice, but you know, gain it in muscle instead. But anyways, there it is, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, all that beautiful stuff you guys do, and share. That sounds phenomenal. 114, guys. There's that pop. Again. Yeah, it hit 114. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, that sounds good. It's got the long vibrance on it. You can hear it. It's a clean sound. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Infiniti G37. All right. Yeah, man.